Hey everyone, it's great to see you back on the channel. Today we're diving into an epic showdown between two AI titans, DeepSeek AI and ChatGPT. So, which one should you place your bets on? Let's get into it. First up, let's talk about DeepSeek AI. Now, DeepSeek is a relatively new player in the AI scene, but it's already making waves. What sets it apart? Well, DeepSeek integrates advanced natural language understanding with real-time data processing. It's like having a super smart assistant that learns and adapts on the fly. Imagine an AI that can not only answer your questions but also predict what you might need next. Pretty cool, right? On the other hand, we have the veteran, ChatGPT. Developed by OpenAI, ChatGPT has been around for a while and has seen significant improvements over the years. It's built on the powerful GPT-3 framework, which means it's incredibly good at understanding context and generating human-like text. Whether you're drafting emails, writing code, or just having a chat, ChatGPT's got your back. But how do they stack up against each other? Let's break it down. When it comes to versatility, both are top-notch. However, DeepSeek's real-time data processing gives it a slight edge in dynamic environments. Think about financial markets or live customer support. In terms of conversational ability, ChatGPT is still the king. Its extensive training on diverse data sets makes it excellent for smooth, coherent conversations. It feels like you're talking to a real person. Now, let's talk about ease of use. ChatGPT has a more user-friendly interface, making it accessible for non-techies. DeepSeek, while powerful, can be a bit more complex to navigate, especially if you're new to AI. Finally, let's discuss adaptability. DeepSeek AI's continuous learning ability is impressive, as it can adapt to new data and scenarios quickly. ChatGPT, though, requires periodic updates from OpenAI to stay current. So, what's the verdict? If you need an AI for dynamic and real-time applications, DeepSeek AI is your go-to. But for everyday conversational tasks and ease of use, you can't go wrong with ChatGPT. Both AI systems have their strengths, and choosing one really depends on your specific needs. Let me know in the comments which one you're leaning towards. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more tech deep dives. Catch you in the next one. Peace out.